This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Aria 3601 quad slide, king bed and washer, dryer is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 8, awning, skylight, TV, stovetop burner, self-contained, air conditioning, slide-out, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Aria 3601 quad slide, king bed and washer, dryer is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.